Welcome to In the Street, the everyman's investor channel. Out there, people new to Wall Street, your blue collar investors in the white collar world. My name is Rob. I am one of a couple, if not a few, people we will have on this channel to discuss anything stocks, stock related. An attempt at analysis, which you will see is choppy at best, and hot topics, deep dives, research, and so forth. If you do find yourself liking the channel, do all of us a favor. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, hit the like, drop a comment. Always helps. And we'll just jump right into it. So today, we have April 12th, 2021. Mixed markets open up, but let's primarily we're going to talk about AMC today. And I was looking at the overall trend, especially over the past 2 weeks. We have seen a shift and a downturn over these past 2 weeks, and there's a lot of scare and spook going on around the idea of what's going on with AMC, but there's a few positive and key things to remember when you are looking at this potential holding for all you bulls and or apes out there. One of the key things is if you've gone into this looking at it as more of a recovery play, as opposed to a squeeze potential, there is no reason we're not in a good position as we stand. The best example I can give for that, especially if you look at it now, there was a news that came out yesterday, and it was from B. Riley Financial was upgraded AMC Entertainment Holdings. So they had originally had a price target of $7, which, don't get me wrong, at the beginning of January, absolutely, even that would have been crazy because we were hovering around $2-3, and AMC got pulled in to what people deem meme stocks and or the meme stock game, and it kind of changed the dynamic. It changed the course of what AMC is as a stock. It's no longer a stock based on fundamentals. It's but I guess that's the argument I'm trying to make. Is in the beginning for the I'd say about a month and a half. Towards the end of January, the AME thing popped off. That may have been the case. However, in the past few weeks, what we have seen is a transition and change from being looked as that weak, small, dying, or shrinking and dying meme stock into what is now a recovery play. And ultimately, what I mean by that is when you have companies like financial people upgrading it from $7 a share price average or price target to $13 a share, that's a pretty big deal, But I guess it's the perspective and the way you're looking at it. Again, if you're looking at this as more squeeze potential, don't get me wrong, it is. That's always on the table, especially with something with such a high short interest rate and the histories it's had. But at the same time, you have a couple catalysts in there, and one of those being is the announcement publicly that we're going to vote on a potential adding 500 million additional shares. And either way you look at that, whether it's okay, even if they vote for it, it's just the option to have it. Maybe it'll get voted down, which in my own personal opinion it will not. I've been at a number of Fortune 500 companies myself, and I'm just telling you that is not how it operates. We as retail investors certainly we do have a impact, but that impact is marginal when it comes to things like that. I mean, votes like that tend to get swayed in one direction just because of institutional investors, internal ownership, and things like that. But we've seen this downtrend over the past 2 weeks, especially today. It was almost 10% down. But that, that's not panic button stuff at all. Far from it. I mean, when you have price targets at $13, which is what we've considered, aside from the late January as almost a high. I mean, yes, certainly we saw low 14s for maybe like a 36, a 30-hour period somewhere around a few weeks ago. But if you realign the idea of what your expectations are of this, it's a whole new game changer. I mean, it's a good rebound stock with potential in other aspects for it. So it's exciting to see what happens over the next week, but the couple weeks. But what we do know is since the talking in the media and stuff has changed from the constant beatdown to more of, okay, it might be a recovery play. And then once you drop that catalyst of that $500 million extra share offering that could be out there, that little hanging thing looming back there, that's what kind of changed the direction of what's happening right now. And certainly I don't see anything substantial shifting personally. I mean, you might have some peaks and valleys for a day or two at a time, but I just don't see anything substantially shifting until after May the 4th, when like that, that vote does happen. So we will be we will be doing live broadcast on this channel. Certainly we will be trying to do it close of market every week, and I will be uploading as consistently as possible. But again, blue collar investor means blue collar man works. So, and as we get more involved in the channel, we hope to see things grow, and we will grow with it as far as the things we offer. But thanks for your time.